We are in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Moen half-horse garbage disposal here. Comes with a brand new line cord and, of course, a new mounting bracket, so that's nice. Brand new bracket there. The other one we had to cut out. It was fused in place. We had to cut the disposal off. We had to cut the mounting bracket off. Everything, dropped it, and that was fine. Got it back together, and unfortunately, the drain line didn't line up. So we cut the trap out as well, which is fine because this was old, full of debris, whatnot. So now what you have, brand new tubular trap, brand new tubular extension, a tubular telescoping kit over to the disposal. And then that's your existing tailpiece right there. We were going to replace that too, but this is fused in place. It's old, so it's scaled in place. You need to get some WD-40 in there and try and get it loosened up first. And anyway, so that's good. Garbage disposal. The dishwasher discharge line is tied back in, so that's good. Down here on the hot side, looks like it's slowed down a little bit, Christian. The braided supply line right there, it goes over to the dishwasher. It was dripping pretty good. We tried to tighten it, but it's already super tight, which means it probably got over tightened, damaged the gasket, and now it's leaking. But right now, I do not see any dripping. Got a towel down there, and then of course an appliance guy. We've got to call into him, and he's going to be out here Monday. But monitor that. I mean, I guess best case scenario is if it just goes away and doesn't drip, then you don't need it, but it was dripping a little while ago. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.